Atik, you can start sharing.
Yes, that's weird, sir. 5 minutes.
Okay. By that time, let me just gather some other resources that I need. Okay. So, the few of them that we'll be requiring is first of all, I would like to give me a second. I will be back. Till then, Atik, start your sharing, please. Atik, are you having some problems sharing the
Yes, sir.
screen?
Yes, sir. I have some network problems. So give me some 5 minutes. I will show.
Okay, okay then. Chalo. So, let's just start with our till then. As soon as you are able to, uh, I really should get another chair. Okay, so I will start sharing my screen. Okay, and let's just open up Paint. All right. Chalo. So you see, we are going to make a website now. So it will be a 1920 by 1080p website. Okay. Uh, yeah, we obviously can't do this stuff over here. So like this, we will have to extend it, right? 1920 by 1080. Okay, the height can be anything, right? So let's just keep it that way only and zoom in a bit more. Okay. Now I would love to, but it does not allow you to zoom in somewhere like this. I have Photoshop, I guess. Yeah, I do have Photoshop. Chalo. We'll work with Photoshop. And what we are going to do is we are going to make a full-fledged website. It should have a backend, a proper front end. I want it good looking as well, with file upload as well. Okay. And I will be breaking down the website. So I have opened up my so do I have some template? Nope. Chalo. So let's just create a new one and we will go with 1920 by 1080. It is given over here, but let's just go down to 5000, I guess. Now that we have this, and I don't have a mouse to work with. No, where are you going? Come back. Chalo. So I would like to have the website divided into a few parts. Okay. So our top first part will be is my new layer. Okay, so we have a new layer now, and in here let's just create a box. Okay, so although it is by this much, so it should be by 1080. Okay, so that means 100% view height. All right, chalo. So let's just fill it with some color. All right, chalo. So now we will be picking up some color scheme as you guys would like to use it. I don't mind that much. But yeah, this is your top half of the website, and in this top half only now we will be having one more part. Okay, so it is 1080, so that should be like 540, I guess. So yeah, let's just fill it up with a different color. Now I might be using uh, unconventional colors, but please do improvise over them, and that way we will be creating our website. Why are you lagging this bad? Mm, okay, so now then, uh, you see, this is going to be our header, all right, and I want the header to be divided into two. So let me just switch colors and get a white color for the same. Okay, and over here now, let's just type in something. What is going on with you, man? Yeah, in here only. So okay, so it is being typed, but over here. So let's just make it big. Okay, more bigger. Let's go to 72. Now that we have this, let's just say the name of the website will be not College Dekho. Let's reverse it. We will say Dekho College. It should not look like a complete copy, right? So now that we have this, we want the. So do I have my font? Nope. So let's just go to fonts.google. Okay, I have it queried at least. Chalo. So I have Nunito. Which one looks more rounder? Yeah, this one looks rounder. Chalo. So this is my favorite font always. All right. So I'm going for now with this one. You guys can always choose to have a better or another one if you guys can suggest. But for now, what we'll do is let's just go from here to here. Okay, let's just extract it. And what we can do is right click and install. So now that we have this installed, it should be present over here. Okay, so let's just say Nunito. Yeah, so we have Nunito regular. Let's select it and say Nunito regular. All right. Since this is our yeah, this one looks better. Okay. Now I would love to give it some margin or anything, but oh wow, this is better. Mhm. Yeah, let's just give a spacing of 1.2. Okay, whatever it is, leave it. Chalo. Um, Now that we have it, it won't look like this. I would expect that you guys have a better design for me or something like that. You guys can keep it like this. So space over here. Okay. And then I want a drop down menu. So inside my rectangle only, I have this. So if I come over here and let's just switch the colors and fill it with our color. Yeah. So it will be a drop down menu like this. Okay, and then in here we will have something. Okay, so let me just switch the colors, and yeah, chalo. Now that we have it, we can say, no, not you, you please. Okay, lock it please. Lock. Okay, so do you guys know how does a drop down menu looks like? So if I, let's just go to the college website only. uh, okay, so in on our college deco, you see we have this type of drop down menu, and there are lots of options in over here. And if you go to few of them na, yeah, you see exams, we have this part as well. So like this only we will have something. We don't want to do the designs and all that stuff. I don't want this header, it does not look that good to me. Okay, and then we have this part, so slogan will be over here. Now let's just go ahead. Now college खुद देखो. Okay, let's just switch the colors for the same. Okay, uh, and let's just, okay, I guess 72 is fine. And let's just move it so it is inside the center, and like that only. What can we search for over here? Okay, so in it will be looking for everything. But for now what we'll do is we will just keep a nice and tidy college. Okay, so control C it, control V. Oh, not you. Yeah, we have locked this guy, so now control C it and control V it, and let's just move it. So this will be your search bar. All right. Can I get a search icon? Let's just go to, hopefully we get a true PNG. Now I really don't trust those PNGs. Nope, not a PNG. A PNG please. No, this is also not a PNG. Not a PNG. Hopefully it is a PNG. Chalo. So save it. Let's just save it on desktop only. Okay. Now I don't think this is a PNG, but anyhow, now that I don't want to waste a lots of time, yeah, it is not a PNG. We will look for the PNG. Okay. What I can do is also now right click it. Where is that rasterize layer? Yes. And you see we have our magic select over here, and let's just control X this guy and delete this layer, create a new layer, and control V over here. And yes, now we should be able to move it. T for transform, no, control T for transform, and make it smaller, more smaller. Okay. Okay, so this is our going to be our initial design. Okay. Okay, so this is one thing. Below this there will be, um, I want something that is catchy. So let's see what does college deco have for us. Now we don't want to copy everything from here only, so they have a finder, hostel, study abroad, and links are there. Okay, we will keep this one. So this guy will be keeping. What we'll do is, at the very bottom part of this, not exactly at the very bottom, let's create one more. So hmm, Yeah, hopefully now this is centered. Mm, let's just fill it a white color. Okay, and you see we have trending today written over here. What we'll do is, um, we'll keep something like this over here only, but I don't want to copy them. Let's just go to some other website. So we have Carriers 360 also. Well, I want it to look completely like it is a proper website where you can look for colleges and all that stuff. So let's just not figure out this part right now because I by myself can't see anything. Okay, now we won't be keeping all these gimmicks. We will do it just in case we are able to do stuff fast. Okay, chalo. So mhm, what can we do is, okay, let's just keep our announcements part. Okay, so let me just put text over here and we will say announcements. All right, and control 8 and do this. Anyone sent a message or something? Okay, Atik, wait a bit. You can show by the end. Okay. Now that I have got inside my flow, I don't want to break it. So now let's escape this. Hit V and let's go down over here. Okay, so I. All right, let's just forget it for now. Yeah, we will have our announcements over here. Okay, and what we'll do is we will keep them in something else. Okay, now. Okay, and now go there. Okay, so we'll have announcements something like this. Yeah, this part we'll figure out. So that will be our header. Please design this. Now I don't want everyone to do it. We will be sharing the task. Okay. Now this header, if someone can design this topmost part, we will go down and what we'll do is we need the footer as well. I don't think there should be anything hard in our footer. Oh boy. Hmm. I like this footer more. So what I will do is, you see, Control Shift S it, and don't want that part. Okay, let's take this guy to the very bottom and attach him somewhere over here and hit Control T, extend it, and yeah, obviously move it bit more up, and yeah, I guess that should do our footer as well. Now the middle part is remaining, right? So what we'll do is, yeah, this much we will figure that out later on. We need to create something like this. So we have trending exams right now. Then we have latest news. Okay, we'll keep a latest news section as well. So we are not going to be doing this only. How many people do we have? We have Lakshan Soni is there. Lakshan Soni, by the way, is new. Not actually new. He was working with HTML and CSS part over there. Okay. Lakshan, I'm very sorry I did not take your intro nor did I get a chance to introduce everyone. But yeah,
It's okay, sir.
yeah, sorry. So along with Atik na, we will be having your intro as well. Chalo. So this is our uh, basic part right now. I will try and scope out these designs for you beforehand. Unlike right now, what I'm doing, it is completely absurd that I'm doing something like this. Please attach yourself. Okay. All right. So this much is our college deco. All right. We will have a mega menu over here and then all that stuff. So this is just the front page and the first page. I want it to be e-commerce, else we could have put in something random over here. And definitely, I don't want to put in anything like this. Wow, this one's better. Look, it has a nice hover effect. Okay, so what can you guys suggest me to keep over here inside this in between over here? Now I want something that could be sold out. I don't want something boring or the it should be attractive to the customer. Like you see, we had our latest news section somewhere. Yeah, over here only. So what I will do is, being a lazy person, I will just grab this guy. Okay, I don't want that need chat and all that stuff. So what we'll do is, let's just go a bit part over here, and this should do it. Yeah, we got it. Okay, so now let's just hit Control T. Wow, this looks better. Um, so now that we have that, we will also have testimonials. I don't like that part. We don't want. Okay, let's just keep popular colleges as well. Mm, come on, suggest me something else as well. I don't want to do all the work myself over here. It will be a great help. Anyone? Nothing? Anything you guys can think of to put over here. Now this is not going to be some real project. Okay, don't worry about it. I just want it to look beautiful. Okay, and not some trash. Okay, so yeah, we can have this part as well. Chalo.
Sir, we can add a review bar also.
No, no, I don't like that part. Keep it far away. Review part, that is like the testimonials only, na? That one that you are talking about. Okay, we can keep a small form to add reviews. Okay, chalo. But we will keep that at the very bottom. Let's just take all these layers, and obviously other products should not be over here. It should be at the bottom of this, and let's just stick it somewhere. So you are speaking about review part, right? So what we'll do is, do they have some form? Yeah, this one looks better. I can say that, okay, I can keep this. So let's just pick this guy and paste it. Look bigger, enter, and you as well. Let's just okay. So for now, let's just keep this much. Okay, we still need to fill in this space. So what we can keep over here is, We are not making an app as well, so let's just not do that. We have counseling part. We should be able to find something. So these guys have a finder as well. Nice. And it takes in a lots of space. Okay. Now that I have you guys, I hope that I will be able to enter this much of data. So let's just, okay, this chat box is very annoying. I don't want it. We will create that. It will be fun to make. Okay. uh, let's just delete this guy. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so now this part is getting far more bigger than expected, but what we'll do is we will keep it somewhat like this. And what I can do is, you see, I can always crop it, not using the lasso tool. uh, yeah, let's just keep this much only. Control Shift I and delete. So hmm, now it looks far better. So this will be what our it will look like. So this is just the initial design. Let's just save it. I will just save it and apply the transformation as well. And let's just go to desktop b3, and we'll go over here. Not, let's not call it dummy project. That will let our motivation down. 8% original. Okay. And let's just, I will create a new file. We will say designs. And instead of saving it as a PSB file, now let's just create one. We'll say home.psb. And along with, okay, not large document format, we need it to be in PhD. So you see, we use PSB when we are working with files far more bigger than we can handle. Like I will show you one project. It was of 7 GB. So if it goes above 2 or 3 GB, na, it usually creates a PSB file. So I think I must have deleted it. But yeah, nope, not you. I had one. No. Okay, let's just forget it for now. But yeah, now that we have this guy at hand, let's just close it. And instead of going somewhere, we'll go to our this folder only. And then yeah, inside our this website, what we'll do is we'll separate the task. Okay. Now I don't want anybody to say that I got a harder one or I got a easier one. Instead, what we'll do is we'll separate it based on how you guys want it. So give me a second, please. Okay, sorry, my sister called up. Okay, so now I would like to have two people working on the header part. So who thinks that he can do the header part?
Sir, I can do the edit.
Okay, Arsalan, and one more. Who should I assign it to? Naman, you are there right now. Can you do that? See that mega drop down menu. It will take time for Arsalan. Now, depending upon his skills, he may pick it up from YouTube and all. But I would like
No,
to
sir, no,
have.
sir. I can use the bootstrap designs and all.
Yeah, I'm sorry for that. We won't be using Bootstrap. I really don't want to. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, who will say now? Okay, so the Deco College this part over here, and try and squeeze in a button if you can over here, and try and make it responsive as well. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and then this one, two, and three, I guess you can just do display flex and justify content center, and like that, it should be inside center by itself. Please pick a nice image for the background. The lower half will be done by anyone.
Sorry, sir, but I have no idea what we are going to do. Well, I'm going to do.
You can pick up anything from this. So can you do this much part? So
Sir,
sorry,
what I have to do?
you have to just design in plain HTML and CSS.
Sure, sir. And you can assign me anyone.
Okay, so what you do is this announcements part. Okay, I would like them to be scrolling. Okay, so they should go from left to right. Okay,
Okay.
just like on our college deco website also we have it. You see over here they are scrolling from left to right. You see, like
Okay.
this.
Okay.
Okay, and then something put inside this box just to fill it up. You can even put these icons and all this stuff. Okay, chalo, so
Sure, sir.
that is one part we figured out. Who will go for the this part? I would like to assign it to someone. This part where it is showing lots of colleges to engineering, commerce and banking, management, medical sciences and all. Okay, so Arslan and Lakshan, you guys are done, so don't say anything. I will pick up Vicky. Can you do it?
Yes, sir, I can.
Yeah, if you
But
can.
how do
Sorry.
you want like there are like menus now colleges in India exams. When I click on exams, should those icons change?
Yeah, the icons should change. Don't go till there. Just design for now. Okay, just design it.
Okay,
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 and
okay.
then I guess this uh, one, two, and three parts are mostly the same. Same. Given over here, we will be using icons, and over here we will have image sliders. So the person who is ready to take up these three parts will be doing this one also because it is very easy. Who can do that?
Myself.
Atik. Atik. Okay
Yeah,
then.
sir.
I guess you will have to create a slider and make it interactive. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I would like to see how it looks. All right. So that is almost end of our website. And yeah, these two parts are remaining. Now that leaves Naman, right? Naman. Naman, you can do this part. This one slider over here. Okay, and it should be centered. And look at how beautiful these guys look. So keep it this way only. And I guess the footer should not be very hard. If you Naman, do you know about CSS grid? Okay, who knows about CSS Grid? Naman, since you don't know, I will give you that task only. You have to make it in CSS Grid. Don't use Flexbox, okay? I know Flexbox will be easy. You know CSS, right? Yeah, so with CSS, do you know Flexbox? Okay, do it in CSS. Okay, make it responsive. It should look good on mobile as well as desktop. Okay, and I would like the designs to be mobile first for everyone. I would like the mobiles to be designed to be mobile first. Okay, just in case I forget
Sir,
it. Yeah,
why are we not using Bootstrap?
you see, using Bootstrap, Tailwind, and all is like getting married. Okay, so you won't be able to learn CSS that much.
But
And
Bootstrap follows mobile first approach itself, and it's very easy. Like in minutes we can do, whereas in CSS it takes much
yeah,
more
I want
time.
you to interact with JavaScript as well. You see, Bootstrap, they removed the requirement of jQuery, so it has reduced that work. But it, I would like you guys to use CSS along with JavaScript. In Bootstrap, it is already embedded in there on clicking and all. You don't have to worry about that stuff, right? So that will be helpful with JavaScript as well. So, and how many of you know Bootstrap over here right now?
I know, sir.
Okay, what about the rest?
Yes, sir. I've used some of the
Okay, you have
bootstrap parts.
used. Okay. Naman, Atit, Lakshan,
Yes, sir.
you know Bootstrap as well.
Yes, sir.
Naman, you know Bootstrap. Actually, sir, I don't know web development a bit, but I will learn. Okay, then Naman will do it in CSS way only. By the way, Naman, you know how easy Bootstrap is. I will just show you. Just go to Bootstrap, okay? And once you click over here now, go to get started and search for over here. Let's just say I'm building a card, okay? And all you have to do is copy this guy down and paste it wherever you want, okay? Hello. So not inside WhatsApp or anywhere. You're supposed to put it somewhere reliable where you can use. So in CSS and all places, okay? Now that what we can do is I will first of all share it with you. So not this one, not this one, also not this one. So B3. Yeah. Chalo. So I don't want to forget later on because I am doing that every day with your tasks, with your recordings only. So now that we have this, I would like to give a bit of rest to my throat. It is already paining. I have been booked since the morning and have done almost like this is the seventh or eighth meeting of the day. Okay, so Atik and Lakshan. Lakshan, please introduce yourself.
Sir, it's Lakhan.
Oh, sorry. Lakhan, please introduce yourself. I'm very sorry for the name.
It's okay, sir. Never mind. My name is Lakhan Soni. I'm student of Engineering College Bikaner. I'm fourth year student in computer science engineering.
Good. And any projects you have done previously?
Sir, just run a grocery store web page in HTML, CSS, or web last web designing.
Okay. All right.
Yes.
And anything else like along, is this the first time you are using Node.js?
Yes, sir. First time.
Okay. And you know JavaScript?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I expect you to know methods, especially. We'll be using them. And yeah, I will be uploading the lectures sooner or later. I will be uploading them. Okay. Hopefully at least today I will upload it. I'm very sorry I'm doing that, and I know it is very wrong to do that. But yeah,
Okay,
after
sir.
this one, I will show it to you. Okay,
Okay, sir. Thank
so
you.
uh, apart from all this, I was supposed to start with server. Will you guys mind if I take like 15 to 20 minutes of your time?
Yes, sir, it's
Given
okay.
I already have 10 minutes, I don't think it should trouble us that much.
No problem, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, chalo. So what we'll be doing is mm, so let me just go to my Git. Okay, and instead of going to my Git now, what I will do is nope, not you. GitHub. I always lose my website. So Sean, I guess. Yeah, thank God I found it. Chalo. So inside over here only. Not this lecture, the lesson 3. Okay, so now that we have all this stuff, okay, instead of working over here only now, what we'll do is we'll go ahead, delete all these files, okay, and inside our assets, what do we have? We have nothing, okay, so we'll delete this guy as well. And what we'll do is we'll create a new directory. So I'll say mkdir. Uh, what we'll say is blog site, okay, and then now we can cd to blog site, all right, and we will say code full stop, and let me just close this VS code. Okay, so we'll create a new file, save it as index.js. Okay, so last time we saw the file system module. We did not go ahead with OS module, but basically the idea behind it is that it will get the operating system of the client and all that stuff. Okay, and we also have worked with file system module. Okay, just file system module, right? And then we saw the global object previously. Now let's just go ahead and start working with request and response objects, and inside there you see what we have is our http module. So we'll say const http, okay, equals to require uh, http. Okay, now we can say we have to create something, so we have a server, so we say const server equals to http, okay, dot create server, okay, and then it says request and then response, and we'll say console log request made. Now we'll be doing this whenever our server is run, right? And http module, it is what allows you to create your server, okay. So now we can say server dot listen, so we'll ask the server to listen somewhere, and we'll say 3000, okay, and then we will say localhost. Okay, so that's the second argument, and the third argument, it is a callback function, okay, and we'll say console log listening list listening on port 3000. We usually start our server on port 3000 because rest of the ports are usually booked, okay. So now let's just go ahead, and once we have saved it, let's just press Ctrl J, and we will say node index.js. Okay, now it says listening on port 3000. Okay, now we have our local host port, and you see, if you come over here and say localhost 3000, it should take us somewhere. Yeah, it says request made. Now, apart from saying localhost only, na, you can say 127.0.0.1 semicolon 3000, and it still should say request made. So every time I hit a enter over here, it adds a request made over here. So your local host is this host, and it is only accessible on this port. Okay, you can obviously now go to some other computer, find out your IP. So how you find out your IP is, you say IP config in your CMD, and you see over here I have my IP as 192.168.1.101, right? So I hope that it allows me to enter inside me only. So 192.168.0.101 is to 3000. Yeah, now it does not make any request. Do we have any other IP as well? Nope. So yeah, it says it refused to connect. Okay, and it won't do anything. So to query yourself only, you either use 0.0.1 is to 3000. Okay, spelling mistake over here. Yeah, now it should work. Yeah, it says request made, so this is a new request, and as well as saying localhost 3000, it should allow and create a new request. Now we'll be working with the when we will our hosting our website. Now what we'll do is will not be using our local host. We will creating our server on a virtual machine, right? So at that time I will explain you guys what are the changes required. But yeah, this is just the basic way to handle your server. Now you just don't want to do stuff like this. So what you want to do is, let's just first create something. So we'll say views. Okay, and then inside that we will have our index.html. Okay, so inside our views folder we have our index.html, and we can hit a bank and say doc type html, sorry, just one bank. Okay, so this exclamatory mark is known as bank in our computer world. Okay, so we can now say h1 hello, this is a html page. Okay, now that we have done that, we can obviously, you see we were doing something over here. So let's just say console.log request, and what we'll do is new line here. Okay, so console log both of this guy, and what we can do is we can go back to our this. Yeah, obviously we need to restart our server. Yeah, you see it already gave us our some stuff. So you see it took in two parameters arguments. Yeah, it is known as parameters. Arguments are passed while you are calling the function. Now we don't call pass in anything over here. So once we have our request and response object, we can see that we have many things going on over here. Now it will be running indefinitely, so you don't want to, but we need to end it somehow. So over here, but still if you see, we have stuff. So first thing we will have is URL. So mm, you see we have headers. Okay, then we have connection, cache control, and all that stuff. Yeah, the URL, and then we have method as well. Now we can use this request object for our use, because we know we have a URL, and we also have a response object, right? So we can say inside our response object only. Now where is the response object's breaking line? Yeah, So over here, if you see, we can send in some stuff as well. Now that over here, where can I show it to you? Okay, I'm not able to show it like this, but instead of doing like this now, and now I would recommend that you guys go through it, console log request and response object, and try and do something, find something new and how it works. So we'll say console dot log, um, first of all, request dot url. Okay, and let's just save it. And if we go over here and type in node index.js, we can now refresh it again, and you see we get a slash. If I go to slash about, we get the url slash about, right? So we can do more stuff with our request. So you see we have response object as well, and what it does is it sends something to the client. So we'll say this dot set header. Okay, now I did not show it to you, but while we were using this, we had our header object, and inside there we had multiple stuff like authentication and all that. So we'll say over here content type. Okay, and then over here we will say text slash html, right? Now we can say response dot write, and then we can say in our brackets obviously h1 hello world. Okay, and then let's just close our h1 tag. Yeah, and you see it is loading again and again. We don't want that. So what we'll say is instead of console logging, we will say request dot end. Okay, yeah. Now we still have to restart our server once more. Response dot end. Sorry, let's just run it. Yeah. Now try and reload it. You see it says hello world and it is in h1 tag only. Okay, but you don't want to send anything. Even if you wanted to do it this way, you could say hello world again, and this time you can send in the h2 tag. But what if you want to send in something very big, right? So we will have to obviously refresh our this, and yeah, don't worry about the favy icon right now. It is just querying the icon that we are setting. By default I have messed with my localhost 3000, so it shows you the react icon. It should not do that, nor will it will show it to you given that you have not messed with it. Chalo, so we don't want to send in stuff like this, right? So what we can say is instead of sending in this, we can send in a file. So we want to send in this file, right? So we can say and we can go over here and say file system. Okay, and instead of saying write, we will say fs dot read file. Okay, so we did this yesterday only, not yesterday, I guess last Thursday. So we'll say dot slash views. Okay, and then we will say index dot html. All right, and yeah, we also get our error and then data part over here. And over here we can now say if error res dot write error finding file. Okay, now I would like to wrap it inside our some object. Okay, now we have this, and we will also end our response over here only. Now this is a bit of error handling for you. We will be learning more better. Okay, and then we can say there's dot write over here. Okay, you see we have our data object. We can directly say data. Okay, so now that we have this, let's just try this. We can control C it and try and refresh it. Okay, we get some error over here. So it says unhandled error event. So it says right after the end. Okay, so yeah, we need to remove this guy, and yeah, we need to end it over here only. Now hopefully it works. Yeah, it works, and try and refresh it. Yeah, it says error finding the file because we have said something like this. So let's just try and refresh it again. Yeah, it says hello, this is the HTML page. Now that we are sending in our file, it is reading it like an HTML. I did not expect it to do that directly, but yeah, now that it is working, you see inside our end only now we can say this part. Okay, and now it should still work. So I have restarted my server and refreshed it. Okay, but there is still one problem. Wherever you go, it still says the same page. No matter where you go, how bad the URL is, it still goes to the same page. We don't want that. We know what our URL is. So what we can do is, depending on the URL, we can switch our pages. So we will say, uh, what can we say is, we will keep our read file for now because we need to read it. We will modify the path that is being passed over here. So the path, so let's just call it path, okay, equals to dot slash views, okay, and then slash over here itself, and then we can use our if statement, and then we can say if some path, we can say do something, okay, and we can now go ahead and say else do something. And if you want to add in a lots of logic over here, then you will have to add in else if, I guess, like this. How I don't, I forgot how to do that, but yeah, whatever. We can use the switch statement obviously. So instead of typing in everything, we will take in our the path. Okay, so we need the key, right? So we'll say request dot url. Now depending upon the URL, we will say, so if we have a case of slash, okay, now let me just put it in there. We will say path, okay, plus equals to index dot html, okay, and else we will have a default path as well. So we will say path plus equals to 404.html. Now plus equals to is an assignment operator. So if you say 1 a equals to a plus b, you can say a plus equals to b. So it will do a equals to a plus b. uh, Please figure it out. If you don't understand, find it somewhere, you will be able to. Okay, chalo, now that we have done all this, let's just create a few more cases. So we will have our about as well, and we will create about.html. So let's just create the same file. We'll say about.html, and let's hit my bank, and I will say title about page, and over here we can say about. Okay, and we will also have a 404 page. So 404 is actually your status code for not found. We will be talking about that tomorrow, and we will say 1404. Okay, now yeah, now that we have done this, what we need to do is, depending on our path, we need to send it, right? So we will say, um, you have to say something, right? So what we will do is, okay, so yeah, let's just pass in this path. So we will do, what we'll do is, instead of saying this guy over here, we will say path. Okay, let's just console log path for us, and hopefully it works. Let's just go back over here and try and run it and try and refresh it. Yeah, you see, it gives us our 404 page. If we go to the home page, it says our slash, and if we go to the about page, it takes us to the about page. Now, there's one more thing that I would like to do. Let's just talk about redirects. Mm, or should we do it tomorrow only? Okay, let's just do it right now. It is small thing, very small thing. Let's just duplicate this part. Now you see, let's just say I had a page that says about me, but then I got you guys, and I would want to tell everything about my this organization. So what I will do is, instead of saying path na, you see we set header over here. We can do something over here similar as well. We can say response dot set header, and then over here we can now pass in something like the location. Okay, so now we have this, and then we can say slash about and try and refresh it. Let's just go to about me now. Yeah, it gives us a 4 page because we did not restart our server. Now that it is restarted, we can refresh it, and it says error finding file. Now this is happening because we need to end our response over here only. So we will say response dot end. Okay, and now try and run it again. It still gives us an error, so it says unhandled error event. So it says right after end. So we are passing in something that we should not be passing in. So so we have stuff over here. um, well, did it go to the path? So yeah, it did go to the path, but then what could have gone wrong now? Well, let's just console log the error. Okay, I don't want to write over here. hmm. Along with this, what we can do is, yeah, let's just try this only. Okay, now it's listening on the port, and we still have the problem right after end. So right now, where can we go? Response dot set header. We are saying something over here. Hmm. All right. 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 It should not show this error. But for now, let's just keep it like that instead of complicating stuff. Yeah. Let's just break over here. Sorry for that. I did not say break, so I guess that was causing a problem. What seems to be the problem that I'm doing? Hmm. Well, as soon as it comes over here, it should change its path, but it is not working like that. Is it because the cases are upside down? Mhm. Okay, so what we can do is instead of doing this, we can keep it just like this. And yeah, once you guys, okay, so I would like you guys to use this method only to create your tomorrow's pages. Okay. Okay, all right. Keep it in plain HTML. Don't mix it up. Just keep it in plain HTML. Okay. Chalo. Oh my god. I did not start recording as well. Okay, we'll do this again tomorrow. Okay. Let's just stop right here. Things are going haywire right now, so I don't want to do it in that way. Atik, can you show me your assignment?
Yeah, sir, give me two.
Yes, please. Rest of you can leave unless you want to see Atik's assignment. Okay. विक्की तो पहले ही भाग गया. Arslan also ran away. Lakshan, if you can show me a grocery website, okay? I would like to see it. Lakhan, sorry, not Lakshan, Lakhan. I think we can't see your screen, huh?
Yes, just give me one second.
Whenever you can. I don't mean right now. Okay.
Yeah, visible, sir.
Yeah, it is visible now. Okay.
So it's not completed yet, but I'm working on it.
All right, no problem. Good job. Keep on going. Hmm, that's fine. So, show me the
So
code as
here the
well.
code and CSS. Yes.
Go to the CSS part. I'm far more interested. All right, looks good. There is flexbox and all. Fine, I can keep up with it. So, but please learn about flexbox and grade properly. You are using flex
Yes,
direction.
sir.
We use flex flow nowadays. Flex direction is supported by old browsers and it is old way.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what about the task? The other one that I gave you?
Yeah, sir, I just forgotten that. Sir, I will give me search.
Yeah, who was supposed to rectify it? I guess somebody did mistake in there. Somebody was remaining. He or she did not. I guess it was he only. They did not submit this proper assignment. It was having some errors. I guess they used a basic sort. I guess it was the ones who left. I don't think it is any one of you. Okay, then it's already getting late. Sorry for the delay. We had to discuss about project. That's why we still need to
Yes, sir.
make a few more pages now. So we'll be spending time over there first right now. Okay.
Sir.
Sir, can you share again the Google Classroom code? I'm not in there.
Yeah, yeah. I have to add you guys to the Google Classroom as well as to the Google Drive, right?
Yes,
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Give me time. Message me personally somebody after nine
Yes,
o'clock.
sir.
Message me. I will be free
Okay,
by
sir.
then. I still have to go to the hospital. My grandmother is getting a discharge tomorrow. I need to get her the bed for the home. And after that, I have a meeting from 8 to 9, 9:30 somewhere. But please remind me by 9. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Chalo then. Bye. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.